performance percentage or speed loss. So, ito yung actual speed ng robot habang siya ay nag-ooperate. Yung bilis ng robot kapag siya ay umaandar. Actual speed compared to its theoretical speed. Ibig sabihin ng theoretical speed, yung ideal, hindi yan yung actual. So, ang formula is ideal cycle time times unit produced divided by operating time times 100%. O, tingnan natin ha. O, tama. Ideal cycle time times total parts produced divided by operating time times 100%. So, habang umaandar siya, ano yung percentage nyo? Actual speed loss. Yun yung actual speed niya. Diba, kung ang theoretical speed niya ay ganito, yung actual speed niya ay ano naman? Expressed in percentage. So, yun. Yun yung importanteng natututunan natin na napaka-importanteng dapat nating malaman. So, yun lang po.